Paper 2, question number 2. Limit n tends to infinity, cube root 1 plus cube root 2 plus dot dot up to cube root n, divide n to the power 7 by 3, 1 by na plus 1 whole square plus 1 by na plus 2 whole square plus dot dot plus 1 by na plus n whole square is equal to 54. Then the possible values of a is or are. I think it's a two options. Let's try to solve it. At first, we know s is equal to limit n tends to infinity. This cube root 1 plus cube root 2 plus dot 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 cube root up to n. Divide n to the power 7 by 3, 1 by na plus 1 whole square plus 1 by na plus 2 whole square plus dot dot 1 by na plus n whole square. Then adding limits to the form, and it becomes summation r by n whole to the power 1 by 3. Divide summation n square divide na plus r whole square. That is equal to 1 by capital N summation r by n whole 1 by 3. Divide 1 by n summation 1 by a plus r by n whole square. This can be converted into integrals. We know this one is converted to integrals, and we get integration of x to the power 1 by 3 dx divide dx a plus x whole square. R varies. Here we know R varies from 0 to n. R varies from 0 to n. That is our limiting value. After here we take first limit and second limit. 0 to 1 by 1. As r varies from 0 to r varies from 1 to n. Sorry, r varies from 1 to n. That's why here limits is 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. After calculating this one, numerator becomes x to the power 4 by 3 divide 4 by 3 between the limit 0 to 1. Denominator become 1 by a plus x between the limit 0 to 1 and minus. This becomes after limiting value 0 to 1, we get this one 3 by 4 and this one minus 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by a. this becomes 3 by 4 into a plus 1 to a. This one is equal to 54. Hence 3a into a plus 1 divide 4 is equal to 54. That implies a into a plus 1 divide 4 is equal to 18, implies a square plus a 72. That implies we get two answers. A is equal to I think -9 and 8. This is our required answer, and the option is 2, number A -9 and number B 8. That's all.